Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating power and connection noise. Replace the battery or fully charge the mouse so voltage isn't the culprit, because unstable voltage causes flaky right-click signals. Turn the mouse off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to reset the internal controller. On your computer, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and airplane mode is off. Once done, verify the mouse LED shows pairing or active status, so you can proceed with pairing and driver steps. You now clear the software layer that often masks hardware problems. Remove the mouse from the computer's Bluetooth devices list, then restart the Bluetooth service or the whole computer to flush cache states. Repair the mouse using the OS pairing flow and wait for the HID profile to connect. This ensures correct input mapping. Next, open Device Manager or Bluetooth settings. Update or uninstall/reinstall the mouse driver, so the correct firmware commands control the right-click switch. Finish by confirming the problem isn't mechanical. You should inspect the right-click switch and clean around it with compressed air or a small amount of 90% plus isopropyl to remove gunk that prevents contact. This often fixes intermittent clicks. If cleaning fails, replace the micro switch or use warranty service, because firmware fixes won't restore a physically damaged switch. Finally, test right-click across several apps and another host to verify resolution. If it still fails, it's a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.